it automatically loaded. We just apply the loop function, so you can see it automatically loaded. So it loaded. Okay, let me show from the first. So it show the nitrogen dioxide winter season, carbon monoxide winter season. So this is the winter season for nitrogen dioxide, winter season for carbon monoxide. Then nitrogen dioxide for spring, then for carbon monoxide for spring, then nitrogen dioxide for summer, then carbon monoxide for summer, then nitrogen dioxide for autumn, and carbon monoxide for autumn. So we generate all of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 map we generated. So now this 8 map we generated, and if you want, you can also export this type of map. Okay, nitrogen seasonal will also export it, and as well as we also try to display the time series chart. So this is the UI chart image series, and then call the nitrogen dioxide monthly. That is simply call. But in this time, it also generates the chart. But this chart is for if you check, it displays the all of month for all of year. We are not showing the seasonal. Okay, it's not showing for the seasonal. So it creates this type of chart, and also for this also it creates this type of chart. And we also export and also download the CSV file. Okay, download the CSV file, you also get the data. So seasonal data. So let me just download the CSV and show you.